What's going on? Greg with Pizzle's Tech Time, back again with another video. Today we're going to tackle a quick issue that I've been getting a lot of questions about, and it's why my earbuds are not charged when I take them out of the case. And I've had numerous questions about this particular subject, so I figured since I've covered earbuds in the past, I might be able to help some people out.
Greg, my headphones aren't charging. Please help me, I'll do anything.
So guys, a lot of this might seem common sense to some people, but reserve your judgment, please. I'm really trying to help people here, so this might be a basic step for you. I'm gonna basically tell you how I troubleshoot when these don't charge on me. So I'm just gonna show you really quickly what I do. So if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button as it greatly helps the channel continue to grow. Okay guys, so the number one fix, as simple as it's gonna be, you're gonna open up this case right here. You're gonna take both the earbuds out, you're gonna put them on the table, and you're gonna look at these connecting pins right here. See, these connecting pins right here can get earwax on them, they can get gunk on them, they can get dirt or debris, they can get a lot of things on them. So those pins need to make contact with the earbud to actually charge it. You're gonna take an alcohol pad, I promise you this won't damage your earbuds, and you're just gonna very lightly go around. You don't wanna soak it for too long, you just wanna do a quick wipe, and the alcohol is going to evaporate. It's pretty amazing. After I clean those pins, I'm gonna go around the top and the bottom with the alcohol swab. So you're not done yet, guys. What you might wanna grab is a Q-tip and another alcohol swab. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna clean the earbuds here, and you're gonna get inside the ear, and you're especially gonna get the pins on the side here so that they're going to make good connection with the charger. After it dries, you can put the earbuds right back. You're gonna get the light to show that they are charging. Now, another thing that I do to make sure they always charge, I don't just drop them in there. I put them both in there, and then I press down once, and then I close it. You don't wanna ruin the connection by pulling too hard, so you just press lightly in there, close it, and they should charge right up for you guys. So I hope I helped Carolyn here because she was having that issue, as you can see. So I decided to make this video to help everyone, including my girlfriend, Carolyn. And for a little bonus tip, guys, when you are cleaning these pins, if you press them, you want to make sure that they're still springy and still coming out. If they are getting stuck there, there might be some earwax, so you might need to be a little more liberal with your alcohol. That's just a little bonus tip for you guys. Make sure those pins are springy and they go up and down so they can make a connection with your earbuds. And I hope this video was helpful to each and anyone who watched it. And if it wasn't, please do forgive me, but I am trying to help people. That's the goal of my channel here. And of course, to get views and get returning subscribers. So I'd greatly appreciate if you guys would subscribe, hit the like button, and follow me along this journey here. Super excited for the future. I really love making videos, and I would love to share them with all of you. Until next time, I'm Greg with Pizzle's Tech Time. I'm out.